Here is the unboxing of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10. Here is the package, how it looks like. It costs me around 200 euros. Let's open it up. Here are some top fixings which it can make. Let's look inside. Here is this one. Just put this way and this gets on. Oh, yeah. God. It comes only in one color, the white one. The station itself. Oh. What else? Here is the charging cable. I think the simplest one. Here are some. Oh, and this is for mopping, just to make your floor wetty, and then it dries up. And here it is, the robot itself. Okay. Oh yeah, and this is for its water tank, I think. Oh, pretty big one. Awesome. Here is the brush. Silicone one, not plastic. For charging. Yep. And it's pretty much all things which were inside. Let's take a look once more at its specifications. So it has 4000 PA powerful suction fan blower, internal navigation for suction settings, 3 adjustable water levels, all-in-one robotic vacuum and mop, remote, app control. So we will see soon how the app works. We'll download it and try it. And as I heard, it's one of the best cheap and powerful robots, but we will see soon how does it work. And this is for what kind of okay, we'll figure it out in future. Yeah, make this the most funny thing. Yeah. And this the bigger one. So beautiful. So classy. Okay, see you soon. We'll try it out and then make additional video after this one. Bye!